the season. And he told us last night, Anthony, today he's on a mission.
He sure is. They've gone to him early in the game right here, scoring a touchdown.
Season long for Johnson is 48. This will be from 48. He hit every bit of it, and it's good. So Johnson field goals of 23, 33, 30, 31, and now 48. 29-24 Atlanta with 7:30 left to go.
The one thing that the Saints are thinking about, there's plenty of time left. If he puts this through, there's still over 1:40 for them to go down. All they need is a field goal.
30-yard field goal attempt. Alexander, the hole. And the kick is good. Johnson has set a franchise record with 6 field goals in a game. That gives the Falcons a 32-30 lead. But 1:44 left to play.
Like I said, Tom, plenty of time, especially the way Jim Everett's been throwing the ball. Not only
see the clock running to 15. And now the official blows the whistle as the ball was kicked away after being spotted.
Well, the defensive player, they're trying to keep the runner or the receiver down on the ground, let the time run out, but the official steps in and says, hey, we got to give this offense a chance to get up there.
Well, they're going to start it again right now. And Everett will just spike the ball. Stopping the clock with 14, down to 13 seconds, and here comes Morten Andersen. What a job by Everett, and listen to the crowd. Barnhart, the holder, from the 30. Andersen